Okay, exercise 2, we have a rectangular prism. So we've got a couple of options. I could draw it from the front and draw my big rectangle. I could draw the end and then pull it out. I could draw the top and go down. So let's click on sketch. I think this time I'm going to draw the end. So I'm going to click on this face here for the end. And once I'm in my 3D space, I'm going to choose my sketch. I'm going to choose my And once I'm in my sketch, I'm going to choose my 2-point rectangle and I'm going to draw that end shape. So it's just a rectangle. So I'm just going to click and draw my rectangle. Now I need to make it the right size. So the end of my rectangle, this line here is 50. And then the width of my rectangle is 75. So there is my rectangle. I'm going to click finish sketch because I have all the right dimensions on there. And now I have all my right dimensions. I can go and make it 3D. So the extrude button, I'm going to pull it out this direction. How far? We need it to be 100. So now it's 100. I could type it in here, or I could type it in here. Click OK. And there is my rectangular prism drawn.